My name's Anthony Metcalfe. I am the Head of Community Development for the Royal British Legion. And over the last few years we've been working really closely with USO and all the board and staff at Race Council Cymru to make sure that the contribution and sacrifice of all those from diverse communities is recognised here in Wales. And I'm really proud that in 2018 we were allowed to work with USO and gain some funding for the unveiling of this amazing stone, and every year we come back here to gather and to pay our respects.
The West Indian story tells the whole story of the British Empire, and it tells exactly how each and every nation of the 53 are related. We are family, and that today I see in abundance today.
Can I say what a privilege it is to have been here at an event that has established itself in the calendar of events, which here in Wales marks the sacrifice and the contribution of so many people in conflicts around the world that have allowed Wales to be the place it is today. It's always a deeply moving event, but it's also an event of real symbolic significance because it draws to the surface a hidden history, a history that needs to be told. And here today, people of very diverse backgrounds have come together to do exactly that.
Several years ago I heard Chris speak incredibly passionately at a Black History event, and he talked about how we can move towards a more equal society which had learnt from the lessons of the past. He saw education as the route to challenge discrimination, which resonated with the approach that we within the armed forces were taking at that time. Thankfully, that education is taking place now.
It's very important to be here today. We've been round the memorial stone remembering all those who gave their lives, the black ethnic minority servicemen and women, Commonwealth citizens across the world who gave their lives in those wars. And of course, we remember those who've made this happen today, Patty Flynn particularly, but it's a really important part of Black History Month, Black History 365.
So you're telling me after slavery, colonialism, a couple world wars, Windrush to skinheads, and you figure now is a good time to close the doors? Not a British citizen. I mean, how long has this been in the making? Because I'm finding it frustrating contemplating that maybe this was the plan all along. Round them up, put them on a boat, so you could have sugar to eat and tobacco to smoke.
If I were to meet the ghost of my childhood running with slipping shoulder straps and half-plaited hair beside a brown expanse of memorizing water and the mellow faces of wooden houses half hidden by a weave of coconut, mango, gidip trees, I would say this was her childscape.
Let there be peace, so frowns fly away like albatross and skeletons foxtrot from cupboards, so war correspondents become travel show presenters and magpies bring back lost property, children, engagement rings, broken things. Let there be peace, so storms can go out to sea to be angry and return to me calm.
Prudence. Prudence. Something my uncle taught me. A little of my wages every week. I'll lend you the money. You can pay me back.
Oh, surely I would. What I don't understand is why you would lend me the money.
So you can go to England.
Goodbye, boy. I stay no longer with you. Goodbye, boy. I stay no longer with you. What? Now, 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 now. Now, 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 now. I'm going now, 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 now. Now, 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 now. I'm going now, 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 now.
Say so. At the back, let me hear you. Oh, me let me tell you, say so. Come on. Say so, oh, 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 say so. Hey. Oh, me let me tell you, say so. Oh, 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 say so.
My